Hello friends, good morning. My name is Hitakshi Wala. Now I want to describe very beautiful and rich country Dubai. Dubai is most populous country of United Arab Emirates. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum is Vice President of Dubai and Prime Minister of Dubai. The official language of Dubai is Arabic. The official currency of Dubai is dirham and the Islam is official religion of Dubai. Dubai has population of 3.331 million. Dubai's area is 4,114 square kilometers. The Dubai's all buildings are look like miracle. Dubai's largest flower garden is the biggest flower garden of the world. The tallest building Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai. People called Burj Khalifa as jewelry of Dubai. Gold, precious stone, and electric devices are very cheap to buy in Dubai. People go to Dubai for traveling in November to March. Dubai's education are very well developed and Dubai is very rich country. Thank you for listening to me carefully.